Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'll show you how to fix marketplace on Facebook. So if you can't see here the marketplace option or bar here like me, so just go for your Play Store and search for your Facebook and you have to update it. So I have already updated it, the Facebook app. Just go for on your Facebook again, click on this profile, go for settings, scroll down, click on navigation bar, click on customize the bar. Now you can see the marketplace option here. Go for in this option and you can go for pin it. So now just refresh it and go for again on your page and you can see this is your marketplace option here. So now you can take your marketplace option here. So that's it. This is how you can fix marketplace on Facebook. Hope this video helped to you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.